Hello everyone, today I will print some mermaid without support. It's some like this. 150, we make 100. We don't need more. It's perfect. I see. Yes, I will print the statue with Mica 3D PLA Silk Rainbow with the nozzle 0.4 and the layer 0.12. We will see after print it will be very good, perfect, smooth statue. We can see the setup for the model. This will not change. I choose for the print the technical, the speed for technical models. The strange, we make some more strange, 3 walls. Okay, 12, about 5 and 5 I make. Adaptive cubic I choose for the infill. Is almost perfect. Yes, the speed is from datasheet for technical models. We can see for the QIDI Q1 Pro we choose 0.4, 0.12, and for Orca Slicer we have all speeds here. Maximum speed is 100 mm per second. All speeds is very good. The file is link in description. Support we not need here. I think we see how will be print without support. The name of the model is support free, and I will check this. Okay, Brim, okay, auto Brim. We make slice. Hours 40 minutes. We can see how will be print this. Okay, is very good. Will be very smooth with layer like this. We not need to use the post-print process if we use layer like this. Okay, we go now to print. I think I will check one more time the settings, what I need. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, we go to print now. For most printers, the best layer profile for print is 0.12 millimeter. They give the no visible layers. Everyone can choose for own printer what is better for them. How we see the profile give us very smooth, perfect model. We not see the layers. It's perfect. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.